how you can install Microsoft Excel on your PC. Now I'll show you different ways to do that. So let's just start. First, open up your store, Microsoft Store. Now after you've opened up your Microsoft Store, just search for Microsoft. Now after you've searched for Microsoft, you will get many options right here. Just let it load. It takes some time. It also depends on your internet speed, so just wait. Now after it loads right here, you'll see different options right here. You'll see different paid versions of Microsoft. You'll see Microsoft 360 Personnel. You'll see the family version, but the one you want to do is the 365, that is free. Install it, and after you've installed it, you will get your Excel included in your Microsoft 365. So that's one way. The other way is you can just go to your web browser, search for Microsoft Excel, and after you search for it, you can go to the account. You can go to this right here, and you can just sign in for free, sign up, and then install it directly from your Microsoft 365 web browser's website. So first, after you download it, you need to first make sure that you've installed, I mean, signed in into your Microsoft account. So since I've already done that, I already have the app right here. So that's how you install Microsoft Excel on your device. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.